Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric. We're very happy you're here learning English with us today.
Today's lesson is very helpful. We will talk about how to start a conversation in English.
Yes, many English learners feel shy. You want to speak, but you don't know what to say first.
Don't worry. Today we will practice easy small talk. Small talk means short, friendly conversation.
You can use small talk at school, at work, at a cafe, or when you meet a new person.
Our lesson is simple. First, listen to a short conversation.
Then we will discuss the phrases.
And then you will listen again and practice.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's start learning English together.
Part 1. Greeting someone.
When you start a conversation, the first step is a greeting.
A greeting is a simple hello. Some common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon.
Let's listen to a short example. Listen.
Hi,
Hello. Good morning.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Discuss. Very simple, right?
Yes, the first phrase is hi.
Hi is casual and friendly.
You can say hi to friends, coworkers, or classmates.
Then we hear, how are you?
This is one of the most common questions in English.
When someone asks, how are you? You can answer, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm great.
Let's give a simple example.
Jessica, how are you?
I'm good. I had coffee this morning.
Nice. My quick breakfast is a banana and tea.
That sounds healthy.
See, a conversation can start very easily.
Listen again. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great.
Great job listening. You're already practicing real English.
Part 2. Asking a simple question.
After a greeting, you can ask a simple question.
Simple questions help the conversation continue.
Here are some easy questions. How was your day? What are you doing today? Are you busy today?
Listen.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Eric.
How was your day?
My day is good. I'm recording this podcast.
Nice.
Discuss. The question is, how is your day?
This question is very friendly.
You can ask it at school, at work, or online.
Let's try another example.
Eric, how is your day?
My day is good. I drank coffee and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
My day is busy. I'm making English lessons for you.
Thank you for learning with us, everyone.
Listen again.
Hi.
Hello.
How was your day?
My day is good. I'm studying English today.
Great.
Good job. You are doing very well.
Part 5. Talking about the weather.
Another easy way to start a conversation is talking about the weather.
People talk about the weather all the time. Common phrases, it's hot today. It's cold today. It's raining.
Listen.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Eric.
It's hot today.
Yes, very hot.
I need cold water.
Me too. Discuss.
Weather is an easy topic.
You don't need difficult vocabulary.
Just say simple sentences. For example, it's sunny. It's windy. It's raining.
Let's make another example. Jessica, it's raining today.
Yes, I brought an umbrella.
Good idea. Listen again.
Hi.
Hello.
It's sunny today.
Yes, beautiful weather.
Perfect for a walk.
Nice work, everyone. You are improving already.
Part 4. Talking about what you're doing.
Another easy small talk question is, what are you doing today?
This question uses present continuous, but don't worry, we will keep it simple.
Listen.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Eric.
What are you doing today?
I'm studying English and drinking coffee.
Nice.
Discuss. You can answer this question with simple actions. For example, I'm working, I'm studying, I'm relaxing.
Let's try another example.
Eric, what are you doing today?
I'm cleaning my room.
That's productive.
After that, I'm watching a movie.
Sounds like a good day. Listen again. Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing today?
I'm practicing English.
Great job. Part 5. A full small talk conversation.
Now let's listen to a full small talk conversation. Listen. Hi, Jessica.
Hi, Eric.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great.
Nice.
It's sunny today.
Yes, beautiful weather.
What are you doing today?
I'm studying English and drinking coffee.
That sounds nice.
Discuss. Did you notice something?
The conversation is simple but natural.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences.
Just use simple questions and friendly answers.
This is how real small talk works.
Wrap up. All right, everyone, let's review today's phrases.
Today we learned how to start a conversation. Greeting. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Simple questions. How are you? How is your day? What are you doing today? Small talk topics. The weather. Daily activities.
These small phrases can start many conversations.
Remember, English is a skill. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
And you are already improving.
Yes, good job today.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you say when you meet someone?
Or you can answer this one too. What time do you wake up in the morning?
We love reading your answers. All right, everyone, let's continue practicing how to start a conversation in English. Great job so far. Now we will practice meeting someone new. Sometimes you meet a new person at school, work, or a cafe. You may want to say your name and ask their name. What's your name? This is a very important question. Yes, when you meet someone, you can say, Hi, what's your name? Listen. Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name is Jessica. What's your name? I'm Eric. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Discuss. Did you hear the phrase, nice to meet you? This phrase is very common when meeting someone for the first time. Let's say it again. Nice to meet you. Now, let's try a simple example. Hi, Eric. My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Nice to meet you too. Listen again. Hi. Hello. What's your name? My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Excellent listening. Keep going. Practice. Asking where someone is from. After names, people often ask where you are from. The question is, where are you from? Listen. Hi, Eric. Hi, Jessica. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Nice. I'm from the United States. That's cool. This question is great for small talk. You can answer with, I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Cambodia. Or even a city. For example, I'm from New York. Let's try another example. Jessica, where are you from? I'm from California. Nice. I love the beach there. Listen again. Hi. Hello. Where are you from? I'm from California. That's nice. Good job, everyone. You're learning real English conversation. Now let's talk about hobbies. A hobby is something you enjoy doing. Examples are reading, cooking, playing games, watching movies. Listen. Hi, Jessica. Hi, Eric. What do you like to do? I like reading books. Nice. I like watching movies. Discuss. The key question is, what do you like to do? You can answer with, I like. For example, I like music. I like sports. I like cooking. Let's try one more example. Jessica, what do you like to do? I like drinking coffee and reading. That sounds relaxing. Listen again. Hi. Hello. What do you like to do? I like playing soccer. That's fun. Final small talk practice. Now, let's listen to a longer conversation using many phrases we learned today. Listen. Hi. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm great. Nice. What's your name? My name is Jessica. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I'm from California. Nice. What do you like to do? I like reading books and drinking coffee. That sounds fun. This conversation is simple and natural, and you can use it anywhere, at school, at work, or even online. Final wrap-up. Let's review our small talk phrases. Greetings, hi, hello, good morning. Questions, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you like to do? If you practice these phrases, you can start many conversations in English. And remember, it's okay to speak slowly. Mistakes are normal. Practice a little every day. You're doing amazing. Now, we want to ask you a question. Tell us in the comments, where are you from? And one more question, what do you like to do in your free time? We love reading your answers. Thanks for learning English with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking. And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone!